I want to get to the step, right? So tired to quit. Why, it's right, very true. You ain't going until somebody says, right.
It is easiest, guys, if you take that bench all the way across to that arrow and then take the step down instead of taking that over. You got that? Take it more. Back holder.
Okay.
I'm going to be your captain for today, and then go over these steps, go through this mark, go to tools and cloud light check. Light checks are located underneath the seats in front of you. You go up watching on the road forward. However, there's a little difference over the Colorado Valley area. We're going to be going over about 12 inches of water this morning. So when I say lift those rear ends, we're going to slide right over the top. You good, right? Yeah. Fantastic.
In a while.
Yeah, we're no pushing this morning. That's our goal. So no smoking, no vaping, no illegal drug use of any kind to include marijuana. There we go. The reason being is we are federally regulated by the United States Coast Guard and the Colorado River is federal. Thank you. Federal, even though you don't know that here on the weekends, but yes, it's federal. All right. And you can drink whatever you want. I'm your designated driver. You're on vacation. You're here to have fun. Well, that also means just please watch what you drink. If you're not used to the heat, even though we are in a cool spell, just please watch what you drink. I know you got that. We are in a cool spell. So please, 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 you're going to hear me when we say get down to Havasu. No more than 6 margaritas. It's a joke. Wait till you see how big they are. Alright? But we don't need anybody obnoxious on the ride home because guess what? Man overboard, we keep going. Alright? And also everybody understands restrooms, right? There is none. Yes, sir, you got it. You're looking at it. If you have to go, raise your hand. You folks on the back bench are going to have to stand. I have a little see-through area up there. But just raise your hand. If I give you this sign, that means just wait 1 minute until we get to deeper water. Right? It means we're in shallow water. Yeah, we're not pushing this boat over. It's not happening. Alright, so that means I'm going to open up that hatch. You're going to climb through where those kind of people are on the back bench. You're going to get out, you're going to shimmy on my gunnel, don't fall over. And then you're going to go right behind me on my engine hatches. And I get the same look every time, even though I'm explaining it. You're going to want to go out and open up my cables and onto the swim deck. No, the boat's running. That's a big no-no. You're going to go right behind. You're going to go, what? I'm going to go, yep. Alright, you go in all your glory. Keep in mind, you got people out there jet skiing, boating, kayaking, you name it, they're out there. You may never see it again, you never know. Please, just keep in mind, it's shallow water. Just give me a few minutes, okay? But also, it's 2 hours down and 2 hours back, so be careful at lunch. That's all I got to say. So as we go down the fish, we have people fishing this morning. We got a little bit of water in the river. The dam let out a little bit more water than usual. So there's probably a few people out there. Please remain seated in your seats. If I have to slam on the brakes, this boat will come to a stop within a boat length of itself. So please, if you're standing, you're going to go flying. So just remain seated while we're underway. Also, when people fishing, we throw a huge weight. It's a nice size weight, and they love to tell us we're number 1. Smile away back at them. We're here to have a good time. People on the way back in the afternoon, it's a Friday. You never know what you're going to see. It is full moon season, so all I'm saying is, if you're offended, don't look. Especially as we come upriver, you never know what you're going to get. They behave, but it's a Friday. You never know. It's hit or miss. All right? So just keep that in mind. Everybody on this side of the boat, port side, you're going to have Arizona the whole way down. Starboard side, you have Nevada for the first 20 minutes. For the second bridge we come up to, and that's at the Avi Hotel Casino. After that, it turns into California the rest of the way down. 40 minutes into the trip, we're at our 3rd bridge in Needles, California, and an hour into the trip, we're at our 4th bridge there, Topock and Needles. But that's Topock and Needles, and that's the northern boundary of Topock Gorge, as well as the National Wildlife Refuge. That's me, that's shortly. The boat is leaving and heading back to Laughlin at 1:25. That'll be 2 hours. 1:25. The boat leaves. 1:25. Please don't be too late. Everybody else is here on time on the boat. It's a little warm, so please don't make anybody else wait. Don't be late. And if you're not into checking your clock or your phone or your watch, set a reminder timer or an alarm for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Once that timer goes off, head to the restroom and come on down. This way you won't be late or miss the boat. It is a very long, cold swim back or a very quick food ride if you missed it, but I have not left anybody yet, so please don't be the first. Alright, 1:25, 1:25, we head on back. You're more than welcome to leave whatever you like on the boat. Just please secure up your valuables and take them. And you can also, or it's also the same seats going back, same seats. Alright folks, 1:25, 1:25, we head back to Laughlin. 1:25.
That, what's up there? That looks like that brewery, the pizza place.
Full bait? You don't feel well? I know better than that. You don't show up in a full bait.
What is it? It's up that way. I'm good this way. I'd say probably. Is that bubble? Maybe? Huh? Hey, that's their bars. Can we go get the pizza instead? Can we go get a margarita after? No. Here's, huh?